Here's what you need to do to perform the trick in clear steps. 1. Get your participant to choose a card and a number. They should only reveal the number to you, but not the card. 2. Figure out how many cards you need on top of the one to place it in the position the participant wants. Change that number to ternary. Then change 0 for top, 1 for middle, and 2 for bottom. Remember that sequence carefully. 3. Shuffle deck and deal cards in 3 columns from right to left. Ask in which pile the card is, and place the pile in the position indicated by the leftmost digit of the ternary form you calculated before. Repeat the process, now placing the pile with the card in the place indicated by the second digit. Do it one last time, now with the pile in the place indicated by the third digit. 6. Deal the cards face down, counting them until you get to the participant's number. Flip that card and it should be the chosen card. Making the trick look more impressive will take practice. While practicing, your work from task 4 will come in handy. In this task, we want you to show you understand the trick, even if you still need more practice. Record yourself, or just your hands if you prefer, doing the trick. You can do it on someone from your household or just on yourself, whatever you feel more comfortable with.